the first woman on Jonathan.
With our life is too short, to complicate it. Abrabo we no 8 year, what I say, if you're able to make any small achievement for yourself, throw a party to celebrate it. One guy said throw a party. To if your first now is to keep it. Unyame bono nyes ka to touch. Throw a party for yourself to celebrate that small achievement because every win be win. Every small win shall it be win. So one guy say when you anyama our achievement that who should be happy for you? What I say? It is sometimes any little achievement you make in life, celebrate it yourself, throw a party for yourself. On this note, video be go viral as a Eeii Nigeria. Lady Bia, the community for celebrating as the first person to board a flight in that community. Ɔno ne nipa odi kai ɛwɔ community ni mu a watena aeroplane mu. Ɛwɔ Nigeria, Nigeria for a lot of fun. Because of this great achievement, Omo throw party. Na party in there. I am very much sure so even the cost on the party crown will be higher than cost no crown or bear in boarding that flight. Cost. Ala feso Nigeria nyini so waware onu nukunet ye na o said the message kwakwa ebusia ode onu nukuna brabo send the message to side chick e man na mo de magia to mo say be side chick no lady way e wo message for you all. I Penyah Block Media. Message say need mo over like video and about subscribe button and snap click notification icon of latest update na be chere wadwe na ma me e wo comment metro so baswa no achire mo ni aso enya bi ahwe. Let's start with lady now no message for side chick. So video be go viral as a Nigerian lady be ebusuan ni apere pa or sending message to all side chick. A man of the munim say bema we or yere wa wale ene ne yere ne tik ebi kura wo ma you are where you know. Nenso still beyenti wa beta ho na je say o manu kru ntimi nya attention and focus on the marriage because of momo kura ntino ememe ni bi hwe ma ememe ni bi hwe omo yere no omo kobre na mo de sweet ni ma beje. Lady way a message to all the side chick. You go tell message number.
Married women are really trying. Do you know that since morning I've been on myself, nature, if I'm on one age. My children and my husband. Hi. Oh God. Just take a good look at. See my husband. My husband has been lying down like this since yesterday. Some of these side chicks, I don't know how else I will beg you because I've been begging. See, I'm not even angry, I'm begging. When you people are collecting so much rounds from these married men, remember that they have wives. Remember that they have children. Why they do bad? I know it's your turn now with him, but pity the married women. Unane, how many married women even go through this? Your husbands will come back. I'll just put alone in the bed. My husband, since he came back yesterday, he has been sleeping. His children are all awake. See everywhere. So bright. You can see this is past 12 p.m. When I woke, I can't put on any bed. He has been snoring. Yesterday he came back, I touched him. I said, food he didn't eat. Now me use my hand, wear him these clothes, this kaftan now. Now me wear him all these things. This is a message to you know who. I don't want to call your name, one of your man. I know. I don't want to call your name. But please, I know you love it very hard. I see your chats. I see you on my chats. Your name starts with C. I don't want to call it so that other side chicks will not come for you. You think you are the only one? No, never. If I begin to list for you now, high BP will catch you. They have them plenty. He has them in particular. But yeah, his favorite for now. So just move on, right on. I know you like so many rounds. 1 round, 2 rounds. Not as guys, that you're well. They know they finish out. They know they full out. But what you are doing, tamper justice with mercy, Forgive Zaddy, sometimes he doesn't know what he's doing. He may want it the way you want it. But remember that his age in Abada. What can I to quiet? Because if you suck him dry, tomorrow you will not have him to suck you again. You want to go? So be doing. And remember that he has two baby bouncing baby children. It's like, you see, my son is the one obstructing me. He has a boy and has a girl. He has me too. So open he put to see daddy goes. Daddy will soon wake up. See him. If you suck him dry, who will come for you tomorrow? Allow him to live for you and I. Come on, he's for you and for me.
So this lady, or catch a static for we are seeing now say, only money problem. There be, oh dear, or ya we say, only nukuno, moshisha. Only problem. But se nukuno ne ba on chenya, for when it to say or well busia. For when it to say or ma or she woman. For when it to say or yelia or hen with ye. And dear Moses will ride the woman. Position is not then dodo. Move ride the woman kiki mabodam. Para the eyes of Cabana never daho. And home treat just a lady just say, Bear me a call by or better is a on sorry, what that 24 hours on sorry. But in any way, it's way effort to air quama. Side chick for we are singing now. So, among folk number more any demo. Mon for money to say, Omu abusian for. Mamma, I do a Now, let's go to that same Nigeria. There be a case, Abrabo women I want. And training nenko. Whatever led to achievement you are able to make for yourself, try and celebrate yourself. Celebrate your home. I just mean who will be a post or say tomorrow I am going to throw a party because at first I was living with my parent and now I've been able to rent a room for myself. I'm going to throw a party. That is nice. At least the person has made improvement in life. He has made achievement. Every win be win. Small, it be win. You shouldn't wait to win something big in life. Now, if you are want to marry, you are not destined to win something big in life. So whatever small achievement you are able to make, throw a party for yourself. Celebrate yourself. Home. Let your spirit feel say, let your spirit feel say it plus you. And this lady, community ni munyina. On a year oba odikaya. Just a wedding kind aboard the flight. Just a wedding already banana. The first lady to be on an aeroplane. The first lady to be on an aeroplane. So it could even be a plane and 2 years and 2 there. They didn't, describe it in the banner. But they are throwing a party for the fact say community on a oba odikaya. What an aeroplane.
The first woman to so, one line. Come, let me show you what I mean. And then this one. The child, the love. Okay, let me come to so,
Yes. This is Nigeria for you. This is Nigeria for you. Yes. Omo Niger, Tinubu Republic. This is Tinubu Republican. We are Tinubu Republican. This is the wonders they can do. And it is nice. As I heard community for no money, the first person to board a flight in this community, a greatest achievement of all time. We actually the history mu. Lady we actually at the hall. I was saying yeah actually at the hall. That particular community in Nigeria, we actually history at the hall, and I am part of that history. I share that history with her. Yes. It is all if you're able to make anything small for yourself, don't wait for people to don't, Massa. Don't wait to win something big. The small achievement you're making for yourself, celebrate yourself. Throw a party, throw party for yourself. As this lady, in community people they throw party for him. Yes, even this one, you know, be here through him. It be the community people. Where say this lady there? It be like she be the first person to board a flight. Make you throw a party give am. Where they organize themselves through this humongous party for her. And this party, you could see, said the kind of even food they were sharing at the party, and it's so nice. What I say, a massive achievement for the people of that community. We a animonyam share ye kakura at least community nimu obi atna aeroplane muda. It also, throw a party for yourself. You are the blogger in your whole community. Throw a party. It is an achievement. You are the TikToker with more followers in your town. Master, throw a party. This be a great achievement. Don't wait. What I say, don't wait. Me self come here, I dey throw a party because I be the blogger with the most followers in my constituency. I be the blogger with the most followers. In fact, from Kumasi to Techimai, I am the blogger with the most followers for TikTok. I'm having 100,000 followers on TikTok. I'm having 66,000 followers on Instagram. I'm having 10,000 followers on Facebook. What I say on YouTube also. I just started my YouTube. So me self, I fit through a party for myself. So shall this be what the trend for Nigeria? Let me send a message to all side chicks across the globe and a party be so a course. So for the first person to board a flight in that Nigerian community. Tell what your mama ever comment section. I have Penyah Blog Media.